you stuck?
My leg hurts so bad down here. It's like all my weight.
Are you stuck?
I don't know. Oh my god. Dude, really, dude, this corner's so good.
What do you need help?
Yeah.
Oh, you just hit the computer.
Thank you.
Oh, you're bending my foot backwards.
Dude, feel that corner.
Right here. What, this one right here?
Yeah.
Shit, man. How can you do that?
I don't know. Say bye.
Bye.